How to set up subscription and recurring payment on Shopify. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to set up subscription and recurring payment on Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. After that, make sure that you're already logged into your Shopify account. So in order to log in, you'll need to type in admin.shopify.com, as this is going to direct you to the dashboard page. While you're on this page, in the left hand sidebar right at the bottom, you can see apps. Go ahead and tap on apps. After that, you need to tap on the gear icon from the search bar, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see a list of options. So you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to Shopify App Store. While you're on this page, you need to type in the name of the app, that is Appstel subscription app, which is located right on top. So you'll need to install the particular application. For that, click on the install button. Once again, for the confirmation, you need to tap on the install app button located in the top right hand side corner. Now you can see right at the bottom there is the subscription and all that. Go ahead and click on update payment gateway. Once again, go ahead and tap on payments link that is located right at the top. So here you'll be asked to select a payment provider. So for that, go ahead and tap on choose a payment provider. After that, select the way of payment provider. You can also go through the above statement and then select it accordingly. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and select the particular one. After that, it's going to ask you to enter in the AAP login ID and then the key transaction. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit, and on the other interface, you need to provide in all of that information. Once again, head back once you're done entering the information. After that, you need to add a payment method, and once you're done adding the payment method, you need to go ahead and select add payment method, add manual payment method, and all that. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap on a save button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be notified with a statement that the subscription and recurring plan has been added to your Shopify. And you can just go ahead and select all of that information and follow the prompt. You'll be able to set up subscription and recurring payment on Shopify. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.